Hi, Preston. This is Stephanie with Peerless Strategies. You spoke with my business partner, Natalie, earlier about receiving this video. I'll make it really short as I don't want to take up too much of your time, but I wanted to show you how you can bring in more mold remediation clients and, fire repair and all that stuff. So I wanted to show you what your competitors are doing and what it would take to beat them out so that way you could double or even triple your current business. So the three things I want to talk to you about are backlinking, content, and citations. So if we jump over here to Google and we search for mold remediation Houston, first thing we see here is the map pack. And below that is the organic section. So we see here that dry mold removal is your top competitor. And a main ranking factor in this organic section is going to be through backlinking. And all a backlink is just one website linking to another. So we'll go ahead and plug these guys in to see what they have going on. So we see they have 37 referring domains or other websites, giving them 353 backlinks. When we plug you in, we see that you have 26 referring domains giving you 95 backlinks. So what would need to happen here is you would need to get, I'd say about maybe 450 to 550 backlinks because you don't want to just match them, you want to pass them up. So a way you can do that is to literally go through every one of their links and see where you can get a link from also. And one thing with linking is you want to get relevant, trustworthy links. Google knows the difference, and of course, they're going to favor the websites that have the better links. And by relevant, I mean links coming from other remediation sites and just links from relevant websites that are like mold remediation or water and fire damage, and also trustworthy in the sense that they're not spammy. So if we look here, this represents the power and the trust of a site. Ideally, these are going to be double digits and pretty close to each other. So 17 and 17 or 30 and 30 would be really good metrics. So just want to be really mindful of the types of links you're getting. So we see here you're at 18 and 1.5. So definitely want to get some higher quality links pointing back to your website. I wanted to go ahead and show you some keywords and show you where exactly you're sitting in Google for them. So we will take a look at the keywords. So we're going to look for Houston specific keywords. So fire damage Houston, there's about 40 searches a month for that. You're in the 11th position. Houston, Texas storm damage, 30. Water damage restoration is a bigger one. That's 150. You're in the 24th position, so you're on the second page for that. Houston flood cleanup, 150. Let's find some water damage repair, 100. Water damage, 150. So these are the types of keywords, the higher search volume that you definitely want to get found for. We see you're sitting on the second and third page for these. And the other ones that I really wanted to show you was the mold. So let's see. Mold remediation Houston was the big one. There's about 350 searches a month for that keyword, and you're in the 40th position, so about the fourth page for that. There was one more, mold removal Houston for 100. You are in the 39th position for that. So, a good handful of searches for mold removal and remediation that you definitely want to get found for. And I don't think there was any more. So Houston mold was another one for 150 that you could be found for. And then there's a few smaller ones like for 60 and 60. So definitely a good bit of searches. And so the next thing I want to talk to you about is content. When I refer to content, I'm just talking about all the words on your website. So in Google's eyes, content is king. The more you have, the better. So we always recommend about 1,500 to 2,500 words of keyword-rich content on this homepage, and then lots of content with relevant keywords on your back pages. So I would put, something about 750 to 1,000 words on these back pages with the relevant keywords. And then jumping back over here to Google. So in regards to the map pack, This is where citations come into play. And all a citation is just a business name, address, and phone number listed in different directories throughout the internet. Facebook has a spot for a citation, all the social medias, like Yelp, and just anywhere you can get your business name, address, and phone number listed is a citation. So, whenever we're checking, we never see more than 50 to 75 citations per business. So, we always recommend to get at least 350 so you can just beat your competition by a landslide. And another really important thing is you need to be super diligent with collecting 5-star reviews because if you do land in this top 3 spots, you're going to be competing with some pretty, high review businesses. So 184, 128, and 34. So definitely want to be diligent with reaching out to past customers, asking them for 5-star reviews, and then making sure you're sending a link to every new customer who's happy with your service. So just to do a recap for you, you want to get relevant, trustworthy links pointing back at your website to show Google that you are the authority in that niche and you deserve to be at the top of that first page. And you want to get lots and lots of relevant, keyword rich content on your homepage. And then you want to get your Google My Business listing fully optimized and get those 350 citations added so you can start ranking in the top 3. All right, Preston, that is all I have for you. I hope you found this helpful and informative. If you have any questions, feel free to reach back out to me. And thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.